Hey guys, so today is Friday, September 11th. I'm coming to you once again before school starts, so I hope that you're doing well. If you've had questions, I hope you have called me. I hope you have sent me an email or commented or something. And notice our office hours and stuff so that if you have any questions, um, email me, call me. My office hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9. My office hours on Tuesday and Thursday, 3:30 to 5:30. I'm here for you. And remember our daily Zooms, Monday through Thursday, so you can get online and ask questions. Now, this week is pretty easy, just getting to know our Google Classroom and just getting used to this format. So you're getting used to it. I'm getting used to it. So please forgive us if we're not, if I'm not quite up to par or know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to show you just a reminder. You may have played around with this some. Just clicking on those little icons will take you exactly where you need to go. So I can navigate my math Google Classroom. That's our I can statement for the week. Not every time will our I can statement be the same every throughout the week. It may build, it may change topics. I don't know. I do want you to see that I do write your agenda. So anything that I've asked you to do, I do myself. So here it is, Friday on the math section. You can see that this see the word math. We have bell ringers, watch video. You have to do a would you rather assignment. And then look, a bell ringer quiz. I gave you a quiz. It's Friday, but it's super easy. So remember, I want you to write your vocabulary. But then after you write it, I want you to read your vocabulary. So go to your page. Notice again, I asked you to do it, so I did it. I want you to write your vocabulary in your notebook. By writing it, reading it makes you more familiar and helps you to keep it in your head. Okay. Once again, if you come down here to bell ringer, you have 3 bell ringer questions. By clicking the bell, it takes you straight to that slide. Here's our learning target at the top. Create a text box. That was what we learned about yesterday, that you can create a text box. So once again, you're going to click and drag and make a text box right here on our notebook. When our assignments due, so you're going to double click on this box and answer the question here. And then what are the 5 materials you need for your math class each day? So again, if you have that written in your ISN, that information is right here. You could just look. You wouldn't have to go back and forth on the computer. It's just a way to help you. Okay. So when you're working on your math Google Classroom, I want you to have those materials with you. And notice, here I am, killing it. Yay, I am working with those things, and I do have all my supplies right by me as I'm working on in your math Google Classroom. I've also got those things beside me so that we can work together. So I am going to escape this part, and I want to show you something. You go back to your math Google Classroom. I like that guy back here. I can't see it. So notice it's a would you rather. So you're going to drag up, would you rather have feathers or have a unicorn horn? That's pretty clever. And so you would drag a thumbs up if you would rather have feathers, or you would drag this thumbs up and you would rather have, and you would put it over here, that you would rather have a unicorn horn. And you pick which one you would like. Would you rather hold a snake or kiss a jellyfish? Would you rather never ever brush your teeth again or never ever take a shower again? Those 2 things are disgusting, and I don't want to pick either one. So I dread doing this assignment because I don't know right now which one I would pick. Would you rather play video games or be outside? Would you rather eat cookies or eat cake? Both, but both is not an option. Would you rather get good grades or be good at sports? Be completely bald or be covered in fur? So anyway, so that's a would you rather, and all you're going to do is you're going to drag a thumbs up and put it on the one that you would rather. I would rather kiss a jellyfish. So I would come over here and put my thumbs up over here. think. I would rather do that. I don't know. Maybe not. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 thumbs up there that you can drag and drop. So again, we're just practicing dragging and dropping there so that you get comfortable and familiar with how to do that. Then you have your quiz. And down here it says 3 questions. I'm going to go to present mode just so you can see it a little clearer. There are some check marks, so you can drag and drop a check mark for those answers. And so the first one says, what 5 materials do you always need for math class? It's worth 5 points. Where do you submit your assignments, on Stream or on classwork? And then finally, weekly assignments are always due by, and you would click a check mark on the answer. And so this assignment is worth 7 points. All right, now I'm going to talk to you just about submitting, and then we're done for the day, done for the week, and we'll move on to heavier math topics starting next week. Depending on what class you're in, it depends on what we're doing. So if you look with me, please, at the rubric here, it says in our math rubric, notice day 1, you had some things to complete. Day 2, you had some things to complete. And then day 3, you complete your quiz and watch your videos and all that stuff. And then you'll get a grade down here, and I'll type in your grade. And then you'll get to see what you scored on our assignments. Okay, so if you go to here to and I'm just choosing 6th grade or 6th hour. Let's go to 3rd hour. So we go here to the string, tells you what to do. It's kind of where you can kind of get your agenda. And then the classwork, though, is actually where you go to submit. So you've been looking at our digital notebook every day from Tuesday. So you've had to go back to Tuesday to get your digital notebook out. And then when you go to submit it, you submit it on classwork.